There's a ritual in the first sip of coffee, a moment that bridges the ordinary and the extraordinary. Whether it's the rich, bold aroma that fills a kitchen at dawn, the smooth warmth that fuels a midday meeting, or the slow, lingering savor of an evening espresso, coffee is more than a beverage. It's a global language, a catalyst for connection, and a century-old tradition steeped in history, culture, and craftsmanship. From the misty mountains of Ethiopia, where legend says a goat herder first discovered its energizing properties, to the bustling cafes of Paris, the minimalist coffee bars of Tokyo, and the vibrant roasteries of Seattle, coffee has woven itself into the fabric of daily life across the world. In this video, we'll trace the journey of coffee from the humble bean growing on a tree to the perfectly brewed cup in your hand, exploring its diversity, its artistry, and the stories it carries. Not all coffee beans are created equal. The two main species, Arabica and Robusta, each bring distinct flavors to the cup. Arabica, accounting for about 60% of global production, is prized for its complex, nuanced taste, with notes of fruit, floral, or chocolate. It grows best at high altitudes, in cool climates with rich soil, such as the Andes Mountains in Colombia, the hills of Ethiopia, and the slopes of Costa Rica. Robusta, on the other hand, is hardier and easier to grow, thriving in lower altitudes and warmer climates like Vietnam and Brazil. It has a stronger, more bitter flavor with higher caffeine content, making it a popular choice for espresso blends, where it adds body and crema. Within these species, thousands of varieties exist, each influenced by its terroir, the unique combination of soil, climate, altitude, and rainfall where it's grown. A coffee from Ethiopia's Yirgacheffe region might taste bright and citrusy, while one from Sumatra could be earthy and full-bodied. This diversity is what makes coffee tasting, much like wine tasting, a journey of discovery. The journey from beans to cups is a labor of love, involving countless hands and careful attention to detail. It starts on the farm, where coffee cherries, the fruit that contains the beans, are harvested by hand, usually when they're bright red and ripe. This tedious work ensures only the best cherries are selected. Once harvested, the cherries are processed to remove the fruit and extract the beans. There are two main methods: the washed process, which involves fermenting and washing the cherries to reveal clean, bright-tasting beans, and the natural process, where cherries are dried whole, infusing the beans with fruity, wine-like notes. After processing, the beans are dried in the sun until they reach the perfect moisture level, then sorted by size and quality. They're then shipped to roasters around the world, where the magic truly happens. Roasting transforms the green, flavorless beans into the aromatic brown ones we know, as heat breaks down starches into sugars, releases oils, and develops complex flavors. Roasters carefully control the temperature and time of roasting to bring out the best in each bean. A light roast preserves the bean's original flavors, highlighting acidity and brightness. A medium roast balances acidity and body, with more developed caramel notes. A dark roast brings bold, smoky flavors, with the bean's origin characteristics often overshadowed by the roast itself. It's a delicate balance, one that skilled roasters spend years mastering. Brewing coffee is where science meets art, and everyone has their preferred method. Each technique brings out different aspects of the bean's flavor, making the choice of how to brew as personal as the choice of bean itself. The pour-over method, beloved by coffee enthusiasts, involves slowly pouring hot water over ground coffee in a filter, allowing for precise control over extraction. It produces a clean, nuanced cup that highlights the bean's unique flavors. Espresso, the foundation of many coffee drinks, is made by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee under high pressure. It's a concentrated shot, strong, rich, and full of crema, the golden foam on top, that forms the base of lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. French press brewing involves steeping coarse coffee in hot water, then pressing a plunger to separate the grounds. This method produces a full-bodied, robust cup with more oils and sediment for a richer mouthfeel. Cold brewing, a popular summer choice, is made by steeping coffee in cold water for 12 to 24 hours. It's smooth, low in acidity, and naturally sweet, perfect for iced drinks. No matter the method, the key to a great cup lies in the details: the ratio of coffee to water, the water temperature, the ground size, and the brewing time. It's a ritual that many find meditative, turning a simple task into a moment of mindfulness.